portion of your revenue is driven internationally, and I was just very curious about that. What is there a reason more international companies have gravitated towards this service, or did it kind of naturally happen in an organic fashion? Um, or is there something like kind of appealing that makes it more, I guess, attractive to an international company? Because I haven't seen that type of mix for a company of your size usually.
Yeah, I would say we are truly a global company when half of your revenue or so comes from all these international locations. That I think is unusual for a company our size. And the reason for that is look at the number of globals that we service. Whether you're a company like Hyundai, who we service in 100 different countries. The only way you can do that is you have to be a global company. You have to have the footprint to support every time zone and be able to handle every country that they're in. And we have 180 of the Fortune 500 already, and many of the Global 100. And so that requires that we have that kind of investment and footprint, or we're simply not going to be big enough to be able to meet their needs on a global basis. So that's why we have to be global. Now, the issues that we're talking about, paying too much and getting too little on your enterprise core transaction systems, is a global issue. It doesn't matter whether you're in Korea, Singapore, Malaysia, in the UK, all the way across Europe or across the Middle East. It's the same issue. And that has allowed us to go into all these countries, present the same business case, and win the business in those countries.
One thing I'm particularly interested in, there's a company that was kind of floating around here, that's